Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how Umkhokha the Curse actors fell after the end of it. Umkhokha the Curse cast took their social media to share how they felt on their journey after Umkhokha ends. Most of the audience, they wish it was not the end. One of the young actor, Nkonzo Zozi, who played the role of Ulwazi Mthiane, shared a touching post on Instagram. I've joined Umkhokha toward the end of the season and literally became part of the family. I'll forever be grateful for being given the opportunity of portraying Ulwazi Mthiane. I've learned a lot from the cast. I would really like to thank Mzansi Magic and also Rhythm World Production for such a great platform. Indeed, it was such an honor being one of the South African biggest shows. Ngiyabonga angiqithi. The best is yet to come. Those are Ntokozo's words. And he also said, slow process is better than no process. uNkulunkulu placed that dream in your heart for no reason. Yeah, ne? And another cast member was Angel Zuma, best known as Nomkhosi Mthembu. She said, Umkhokha the end. From the beginning till the end. What a beautiful journey. Guys, that was the end of Umkhokha Season 3. I thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and press notification button to be the first to see whenever I upload it. Bye you.